Hey, what's up guys? So before I went on vacation, I destroyed my phone. You can see that it got cracked right there. It went all the way up. So it was very bad. So you can see right here that is a half screen. So I decided to go through the insurance. So good thing about it that I had the insurance, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how the phone came inside the box and everything. So I had insurance, so I had a choice of $29 plus tax, or pay $100 and they send me another phone. So I decided to do the $100 one just because when you do the screen, to go to the screen, it takes about an hour and a half to get there, and then by the time they do the whole job and everything, it's just a big hassle. I did it once to one of my phones, so I decided to get a whole new phone. So inside the box you get a little card like this, and then you get your overnight letter. So the box comes like this. So this is the box. So it finally came. It did came really quick. So you have a return package. So this is where you will put the phone that is broken. You put it in here and send it back. So let's give you a little 100-day limited warranty. So activation card, how to activate it and everything. So now the phone comes in a nice little box like this. You can see, tell you all your information about the phone. It comes in a nice little box. It is sealed right here. So you do have to open these up. Okay. I love my Note 20, so right now I'm using a Note 10, so now I got my 20 back in. There's one more. So they pack it pretty good. Very good. Oh, I'm missing it. Okay. Comes with a SIM. What this box has. Nothing in that box. So basically everything pretty much is empty. So looking at it, the phone is in good condition. Screen is good as well. That looks good. This looks sealed. So overall the phone looks very good. There you go. And it turns on very well. The screen looks nice. Everything looked good. So I think it was better off getting just a new one. You know, see this one right here, this is my old one. And the phone itself, it still even have the plastic and everything. You know, it's a very good condition, just the screen busted. So I said, let's get the new one. So this is how exactly it comes. Very good. The service is very quick and awesome. No issue at all. Just made a payment and boom, the phone comes in the next day. Awesome. Recommend have cell phone insurance, especially for this reason. Just because just to replace the screen without the insurance, it was like $300 or something like that they was trying to charge. Crazy. So for the price I paid, awesome. The phone is very expensive to buy from start off, because the phone going for $1,200, $1,100. You know, you can find some on Amazon for $900, $800, $1,000. So all different prices, but just to pay that little bit and you get a new phone, awesome. Recommend the service.